This cowl neck halter top with a low neckline enhanced with a sparkling fashion jewelry is incredibly appealing, catching everyone's attention as you pass by. Featuring a stunning backless detail, you will be able to create a sophisticated and elegant memory. Hello everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to my channel. Download the halter top PDF layer pattern in A4 and A0 format from my Etsy shop with instructions and a detailed cut and sewing. The link to the pattern is available in the description below. Let's get into the tutorial. You can make this top out of a polyester jersey fabric. This top is made from one piece. The front and the back piece are combined together. This means that there are no side seams, but only a back seam. Do not overlock the cowl neckline if you use a polyester jersey fabric, as it's not going to fray. Fold the corners of the cowl neckline wrong side facing in order to hide them and pin them down. Fold the piece in half lengthwise, right side facing, match the back side corners and sew along the back seam and overlock it. Sew also the top corner of the folded cowl neckline at 3 mm or 0.11 inches from the edge to fix it down. Press the back seam towards the side. Fold up the hemline wrong side facing by 2 cm or 0.78 inches and pin it down. Fold the edge of the curve of the backline wrong side facing by 1 cm or 0.39 inches and pin it down. Press these hems and then cover lock them. Fold down the neckline by 2 cm or 0.78 inches, wrong side facing, pin it down and cover lock it close to the edge in order to create a tunnel for the string. This tunnel will have to be 1 cm or 0.39 inches wide. Create a strap that is meant to be pulled through the neckline tunnel. Cut a strip on the width of the fabric between 1.40 and 1.50 meter or 50.11 and 59 inches long and 4 cm or 1.57 inches wide. Fold the strip in half lengthwise, right side facing, and overlock it on the length at 1 cm or 0.49 inches from the edge. The strap on the right side. You can top stitch it, but this step is optional. Cut the strap in half on the length in order to have 2 straps. Wrap the 2 straps once around the circle. Make sure that on the wrong side you leave an excess of 4 cm or 1.57 inches in order to hide the ends when pulling them through the tunnel. Stitch down the straps close to the circle and fix down again the ends of the straps with the stitching. Other ends through the neckline tunnel.